So, as I sit here wondering what my next words should be, I ask myself, what can I do next to spark the light in the next person that hears me? Time is so limited, and I want to make sure that I give it my all, because I want to give myself to the world to inspire everyone I can to become the best versions of themselves. So when their fire finally ignites, then they can do the same. Yes, our dreams are our dreams. Yes, we must take action and the first step to bring them into reality. True. But you know what? When you have family that believes in you and is here for you, it makes it that much easier. Guess what? I'm here for you. I will never give up on you. We need to be supportive of one another. The world right now is really divided. So I need you to believe in yourself. Believe that there is no obstacle that can stop you. If you get knocked down, stand up. Again. And again. Please stand up. We have to love each other and help everyone we can. Because without love, what is there? Today's the day we find out what we are made of. Not tomorrow, not next week, a month, or a year from now. Today. Everyone I've ever touched has inspired me to be the best I can ever be. You are all my family. No day, breath, or heartbeat is promised. So live your life. I've got your back. Peace and love forever. God bless.
What's up, guys? I hope you really enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe right here. Peace.
Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep pushing through.